Welcome back to Rob's Builds.
Well, welcome back, guys. Today we're building the assault tank. Let's get started. Well, there you go, guys. The finished product. The Armored Assault Tank. I love the colors. The black. Sorry, not the black. My mistake again. Hope you enjoyed that. But I like the blue, a little bit of black, and the gray. Wish there could have been a little bit more black on a few other pieces, but all in all, great piece. Now you have turning assault turrets. And this big gun moves up and down, and this moves side to side, so that's pretty cool. And like this goes almost 360 degrees, which is really cool. All in all, this was a fun build, not that quick, but hope you get this set, and don't forget to subscribe, let me know what you think, and I'll catch you later.